Welcome to the high-volume world of stingray processing.
From tough cartilage to tender fillets.
Transforming into the legendary sambal stingray.
This is the journey from ocean floor to premium plate. The fish enter the butchery hall, kept at a strict 4 degrees Celsius to inhibit bacterial growth.
Before any meat can be harvested, the most dangerous part of the animal must be neutralized.
Unlike bony fish, stingrays are supported by cartilage. The knife must glide along this soft skeleton to separate the prized wings.
This unique anatomy is what gives the meat its distinct, stringy texture, often compared to scallop or crab. Efficiency is paramount. An experienced cutter can break down a full ray in under 40 seconds. The central disc, which contains the organs and tough cartilage, is separated for fish meal processing, leaving only the premium wings.
While some markets prefer the skin on for grilling, while others demand a pristine, skinless, white fillet.
Quality control checks for firm, elastic flesh, the hallmark of a fresh catch.
What began as a rough, bottom-dwelling creature has been refined into a high-value protein source.
The tough cartilage dulls blades quickly, requiring constant maintenance of the tools. Only about 35% of the total body weight is recovered as edible meat.
The raw processing is complete. Now, the wings move to the preservation and cooking stage.
To enhance flavor and preservation, the wings undergo a deep marination process in a saline solution infused with natural spices.
Vacuum tumbling opens the meat's cellular structure, forcing the marinade deep into the dense muscle fibers in just minutes.
Vacuum tumbling opens the meat's cellular structure, forcing the marinade deep into the dense muscle fibers in just minutes. Once saturated, they are hand-racked. Spacing is crucial to ensure the smoke circulates evenly around every wing.
They enter the industrial kiln, where the transformation from raw catch to smoked delicacy begins.
Natural hardwood chips are ignited to generate a thick, aromatic smoke.
Controlled heat and smoke envelop the fish, slowly curing the meat and killing any remaining bacteria.
Over a cycle of 4 hours, the heat evaporates moisture while the smoke deposits a rich, golden patina on the skin.
The result is a dramatic transformation. The once slimy, gray creature is now a firm, golden brown product ready for consumption.
A final protective step, ice glazing. This encapsulates the smoked fish in a thin shell of ice to prevent freezer burn.
Thousands of pounds of premium smoked stingray, preserved and perfected, flow toward the final packaging line.
But before they can be shipped globally, they must pass the most rigorous inspection yet.
But before they can be shipped globally, they must pass the most rigorous inspection yet.
Food safety is non-negotiable. Every single wing passes through an industrial metal detector. Sensitive advanced X-ray systems scan the density of the meat, ensuring no hook fragments or unexpected dense debris remain hidden inside.
Any product with uneven smoking, cracked glazing, or visual blemishes is immediately discarded. Only the flawless proceed.
Automated grading gates sort the wings by gram weight, separating the standard retail cuts from the jumbo restaurant-grade portions.
Sorted, scanned, and approved. These golden wings are now ready for the final stage, packaging and dispatch.
To lock in freshness for global export, the wings are vacuum sealed, removing oxygen to halt oxidation.
To lock in freshness for global export, the wings are vacuum sealed, removing oxygen to halt oxidation.
Traceability is key. Every pack is stamped with a unique batch code, tracking it back to the specific boat and date of catch.
They are packed into insulated master cartons, ready to maintain their frozen state during transit.
Logistics take over as pallets are built, wrapped, and prepared for the cold chain journey.
Stored at -20 degrees, this warehouse holds tons of inventory, destined for markets in Singapore, Malaysia, and beyond.
From the deep ocean to the factory, the journey ends, but the culinary experience is just beginning.
Grilled to perfection and smothered in spicy sambal sauce, this is the legendary taste of BBQ Stingray. A delicacy born from the sea, perfected by industry. Thanks for watching Gentech Insights.